Good day everyone, in this video, we will talk about and elaborate the new MDVR 8204 SSD's features. We have given you some insight of its new features in our recent uploaded videos. Here we will show you how powerful our new MDVR 8204 SSD 3 SD card Mobile DVR. The MDVR 8204 SSD is powered by artificial intelligence to support ADAS and DMS features. For the ADAS, it detects forward collision warning, vehicle distance closing warning, lane departure warning, and pedestrian collision warning. Simultaneously, the DMS detects fatigue driving detection warning, distraction detection warning, smoking detection warning, calling phone detection warning, driver face recognition warning, camera cover detection warning, and seatbelt detection warning. Except for these AI features, more safety features based on I/O triggering have been integrated. First one is the vibration cushion, which will alert driver in case of a dangerous situation like fatigue with potential collision ahead. The vibration will be triggered by at least 2 factors of ADAS and DMS or other alarms. After it detected any unsafe behaviors from the driver, it will go further detection for the surrounding environment or any of the unsafety factors. The cushion will vibrate to get the driver to be alerted upon more than one safety alarm happen together. If only one of the ADAS or DMS detected, it will not vibrate and will only emit voice warning. The I/O-based safety features also include the safety seatbelt warning. The seatbelt alarm will be triggered if the seatbelt is not connected while driving in a certain speed. Violation alarm will be sent to the CMS V6 platform, and a voice warning will be given to the driver. The SOS alarm is another I/O-based safety feature of the MDVR 8204 SSD. Upon any situation which the driver thinks unsafe or needs assistance, the driver may press the emergency button to initial an emergency notification to the CMS V6 platform together with the exact location and snapped footage from the mobile DVR system. The MDVR 8204 SSD has equipped with various sensors, which can support more safety features based on sensors. It now also gets the standard IVMS safety features integrated, which include harsh acceleration, harsh braking, and harsh cornering detection. These features are supported by the G sensor. Harsh acceleration and harsh braking are dangerous to road safety. It also causes drivers body injury, which include whiplash, shoulder injuries, and traumatic brain injuries. To avoid these kinds of injuries, it's important to alert driver upon detection of such driving behavior. These features are implemented by employing auto-calibration mechanisms to make it more practical and accurate. The overspeeding detection is another essential IVMS safety feature. This feature will provide pre-overspeeding warning and overspeeding violation warning and recording. A warning sound or beep will be emitted to driver once the vehicle speed crossed its pre-overspeeding threshold. The buzzer will keep beeping until the vehicle speed lower the threshold. Overspeeding violation will be reported if the vehicle speed keeps exceeding speed limit for a certain period. Sensor-based feature also include vehicle battery voltage detection. This feature will create an alarm once the battery is disconnected or if the battery is under voltage. This device is also featured with anti-tampering. The device is capable of detecting any kind of tampering or was disassembled by unauthorized person. Alarm will be sent to the CMS V6 platform. It will also create an alarm so the driver will be alerted. Tire Pressure Monitoring System or TPMS is an add-on feature for this device by adding more sensors for vehicle tire pressure. Monitoring your vehicle's tire pressure is one of the important parts for safety driving. You can easily avoid driving with underinflated tires. This way, you'll be able to avoid scenarios such as tire blowouts. To support full IVMS features, driver ID is essential. MDVR 8204 SSD is now capable of attaching iButton. Furthermore, facial recognition moves driver identification to a higher level. Drivers with individual cards or IDs can be identified and authorized iButton or card scanner. The vehicle can be instantly demobilized so that to turn on engine after authentication. The device will send reports to the CMS V6 to record the specific driver login in the system. The facial recognition makes driver authentication easier and more flexible. This also enables driving hour monitoring easier and reliable. Vehicle mileage driving record makes vehicle and driver management more practical. For every journey, MDVR 8204 SSD sends vehicle mileage driving record to the CMS V6 platform for documentation and monitoring. The geofence and GPS feature is also essential from IVMS. The MDVR 8204 SSD can fully support this feature both on device and on platform. The device can report vehicle position accurately by employing various satellite systems. Users can set geofencing boundaries for each vehicle to get notification once the vehicle enters and exits the set boundary. It can also be used for geofence-based night driving and others. On the CMS V6 platform, users can set up additional title screens that can be added to segment different functions or function categories. That's all for today's video. To know more about our different products and devices, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you all again soon. Bye.